Yes, hi dear students. So welcome back to a live session. So I'm going to start today's biology topic, excretion in life processes chapter. Already we have completed the human heart, respiration, and human digestive system, that is nutrition. Now in this class today we are going to start the topic excretion. Okay, let's begin students today's topic. So before starting this session, I want to tell you a few things about this excretion. Why excretion should be needed in humans or in any organisms? What do you mean by excretion? First, let us try to understand. Excretion is nothing but what sending the waste materials outside. In our body, so many toxins are produced. So many unwanted substances are produced in our body that should have to be eliminated out of the body. So that process is known as excretion. So in human, the excretion takes place in the form of urine. Okay. So who will eliminate these waste products and how it is working? So let's start today's live session. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel Shri Gopal Kulkarni YouTube channel. Please like, comment and share to your friends. So let's begin today's topic. Yes, this is human excretory system. What is this human excretory system? How respiratory system is there, how digestive system is there, in the same way in human excretory system is there. So in excretory system, the four things you have to remember everybody. Pair of kidney. Okay, two kidneys are there in human body and the pipe which is coming from the kidney, that is known as ureter. What is that? Ureter, the pipe which is coming from the kidney. Kidney, ureter. Okay, you have to remember these very important only four things are, okay, kidney, ureter, and this is urinary bladder. So here urine will be collected for temporarily collected for few minutes. So this is a urethra, ending point of the excretory system. So this is common in both male and female. Okay, in both these human excretory system will be there. How it works? So let's continue here. So already I have told you a pair of kidney will be present in human body in the abdominal area. Okay, so here in our trunk region. So pair of kidney will be there, bean shaped. They are bean shaped. Okay. And these kidneys, there is a connecting tube is there. The urine will be produced inside the kidney. Urine is produced. Urine means waste product. Okay, that waste material will be produced and it will come throughout this tube. The tube is ureter, and the urine is collected here. That is urinary bladder, and through the urethra, the urine is eliminated out. So inside the kidney, there are millions of nephrons will be present. What are nephrons? Nephrons are structural and functional unit of kidney. What do you mean by nephron? Nephrons are structural. They are having structure. Okay, and they are performing the function. They are doing the work. Nephrons are structural and functional unit of kidney. Okay, so let's continue like this. Nephron, there will be a millions of nephrons will be there in one kidney. Okay, millions of nephrons will be there. What they will do, what nephron will do, now you have understood this one. So some points I have missed here. So I have told only 4 points you have to remember: kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. So some other points are also there here. This is aorta. Aorta, where you have heard in the transportation, human heart, aorta, biggest artery. Yes, these here blood will come, students. Oxygenated blood will come. And afterwards the blue color, again another pipe you are observing. So that is known as vena cava, veins. So through here, again the blood will go back, carbon dioxide contained blood. Oxygenated blood will come and gives oxygen and takes carbon dioxide and goes back again to the heart. So when blood will enter the kidney, okay, what blood is doing, students? What is blood? Blood is a fluid connective tissue.
Jai Shri Ram.
Continuously it will what? Circulate continuously in our body. Blood not only supplying oxygen, blood not only taking carbon dioxide, blood not only taking the food and giving to all the cells, blood is also carrying the waste materials to the kidney. Okay, all the waste in the body will be collected in the blood and the blood will come here inside the kidney and here filtration will happen and the blood will remove all the waste toxins and the blood is purified here and the blood will go back. Okay, so what happens inside that kidney? Inside the kidney, nephrons are there. What nephrons will do? Let's see here. So this is one structure of nephron. So this you are observing, students. This is Bowman's capsule. What is this? Bowman's capsule. Inside glomerulus will be there. Glomerulus filtration takes place. So A I have written here. So A is artery. Artery carries the blood, oxygenated blood, and also which is containing toxins. And here filtration will take place. Filtration. And the blood will remove all the waste and the blood will move here. Okay, the blood will be moving here and all giving oxygen and taking carbon dioxide and the blood will come back to the veins. Okay, so here whatever the filter happened, glomerulus filtration happened in Bowman's capsule. Okay, so Bowman's capsule, what happens? Filtration will happen, glomerulus filtration. So the waste material will move here. Inside the nephron, the waste material will be
Jai Shri Ram.
Inside the nephron. And here what happens, students? Some useful substances like glucose and some useful substances will be reabsorbed in this tubular tubular part of nephron. Some useful substances, glucose, amino acids will be reabsorbed. And salts and uric acid. Uric acid is a waste material or toxic substance. Uric acid, urea, and all the waste materials. Once again, I am going to tell you urea, uric acid, these all are the waste materials, and some salts. Okay, so they will form in the form of urine. So that will come here, and here what happens, students? That waste material goes and collecting to the collecting duct. The pipe will be there. So from all the nephrons, the waste material will be collected here, and the urine will come from this collecting duct, and that waste urine will come through the urethra and collects here. Okay, temporarily, and through the urethra, the urine is eliminated outside. So now today you have understood the topic excretion, human excretory system. In human excretory system, you have to remember only 4 things. The first one is a pair of kidney and a pair of ureter, pair. And the third one is urinary bladder. Bladder is nothing but collection, the urine will be collecting there. Okay, and the fourth one is urethra. These are the 4 things you have to remember, and this diagram is there for your examination. Compulsory you have to practice it. Human heart, human digestive system, stomata, and this human excretory system. Okay, in human excretory system the 4 things will come: pair of kidney, pair of ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. So inside the kidney, what will be there? Nephrons will be there. This nephron is also there for your examination. You have to practice this one. So whatever the black lines I have drawn, okay, black lines I have drawn, this is nephron. And the blue color, whatever I have drawn, those are blood vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries. See, I have written capillaries and veins, arteries, capillaries, veins. Arteries carry oxygenated blood, gives carbon dioxide in the capillaries. From the capillaries, it will give oxygen and take out carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide blood will come through the veins. Already we have discussed it. If you have not watched the previous video, what so many live sessions I have conducted, a minimum 4 to 5 classes I have conducted. So if you see that what you mean by arteries, veins and capillaries, you will understand. So once again, nephron, Bowman's capsule is there. Bowman's capsule. Okay. So after that, inside glomerular is there. Glomerulus filtration takes place, and the waste material. Okay. See clearly. So the blood is coming. From where it is coming? From the heart, oxygenated blood, and also it carries some waste materials, toxic materials. Okay, that will come through this artery. A means artery. Which artery? Renal artery. You have to remember. Renal artery is present inside the kidneys, nephrons. Renal artery carries oxygenated blood and also waste materials. That in the Bowman's capsule, in glomerulus filtration takes place, students. The blood will be purified, filtered, we can say. Glomerular filtration takes place inside the Bowman's capsule, and the filtered blood, oxygenated blood will move everywhere and gives the oxygen and takes the carbon dioxide, and the blood will come back. The purified blood will come back. Our blood is purified and it will eliminated the waste materials. That waste material is collected in the glomerular Bowman's capsule now. So that will move towards forward and it will come here inside the nephron. So what happens here in tubular reabsorption of nephron takes place. Some useful substances. Okay. All waste are connected here. In that, some useful substances like glucose, amino acids, and some minerals will be reabsorbed. And the waste material like urea, uric acid, okay, some salts, they will form in the form of urine and collected in the collecting duct. This collecting duct has so many nephrons are connected, students. So many other nephrons are connected. They will release the waste material in the form of urine. That urine is formed inside the kidney from the nephrons. That urine will pass through the ureter, okay, and collected in this bladder, that is urinary bladder, temporarily, and through the urethra. The urine is eliminated outside. So both these diagrams you have to practice. So this is a very, very important topic, how in human excretory system, how it works, how the excretion takes place in the body, why it have to take. Okay, so the waste materials have to be eliminated outside the body, otherwise there will be effect on the body. So today you have understood the topic excretion, I think. So hope some important, the chapter 4 main important topics we have completed. Nutrition we have completed, respiration we have completed, transportation, human heart we have completed, and the excretion. 4 main important topics we have completed. In the next class, some important questions which are useful for your examination I am going to discuss here. So please be with me, join me daily 7:30 p.m. Shri Gopal Kulkarni YouTube channel. So please like, share, my dear friends. Please comment here. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please ask me. So in the next class we are going to solve some important questions for your examination from this chapter, life processes. So daily you have to work compulsory for few hours. If you work, definitely you will score more in SSLC or class 10. So whenever exams will be there, at the time if you open the book, it will not work. Daily compulsory, okay, you have to work. Until then, students, be with me, keep learning. Thank you so much for Abu Saim. Hi Abu Sam. Thank you so much for joining my live session. So thank you so much, students. We will meet in the next YouTube live session. Some important questions. Okay. Until then, take care. Bye bye, students.